guys, thanks so much for checking out this video today. My name is Alan with Try This DIY, and I'm actually at my parents' house working on their running or leaky toilet. My dad is actually very good at DIY, but he just had knee surgery, so I'm going to help them with this little project. Should be really simple, so let's go ahead and dive in. So guys, today I'm at my parents' house, and I wanted to show you how I plan on fixing this toilet. It keeps messing up, and it's not sometimes flushing, and then also sometimes there's not any water in there. One of the main culprits I think is going to fix this toilet is just replacing this ring right here. As you can see, it's a little older and is actually breaking up and not perfectly sealing that hole right there. And so what I'm going to do is get all the water out and turn the water off, and then try to just replace that flap and see if that works. So remember, when working with a toilet, you want to make sure you turn your water off here so that no more water will come into the tank. Go ahead and turn this all the way off. Make sure you have a cup and even a towel with you so you can go ahead and make sure that no water comes out of there. After you have closed the valve at the bottom, you're going to go ahead and flush the toilet and make sure all the water is out of here. As you can tell, no more water has come in, so we can begin working. So we're going to go ahead and replace this flap and take this off. And if you have a ring, you can go ahead and just replace the ring. But I actually bought a kit that just came with a bunch of pieces for a universal toilet. And so I'm going to go ahead and take off this entire flap and replace that as well. There's the flap. There's the ring that's, you can tell, is kind of gone. It doesn't have that seal anymore. And here's the new flap. Again, you can buy a kit. I'll put a link in the description. And all you have to do is just put this back on there. And put it the level it needs to be so that it closes, and that when you flush it, it will give you a strong flush. Now you can turn your water back on. Let that fill the tank up, and then we'll see if it worked. So the tank is completely filled back up, and I don't hear any water running. Let's check it out and see if it works. Yeah. Nice job. It looks like it's doing its job. I think that's going to do it. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe down below. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. I'd love to help you out with that as well. Also, you can check out one of these other videos that have popped up here in your end screen that might help you out. But I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.